Finn, the fox, smells something sweet in the air. Bella is baking something, but it is a secret. "What are you making, Bella?" asks Finn. "Bounce, bounce." "It is a surprise," says Bella. "You have to wait." Wait. Finn does not like waiting. "Is it ready yet?" asks Finn. "Not yet," says Bella. Finn tries to wait. He counts the flowers. 1, 2, 3. Barnaby comes by. "Why do you look so sad, Finn?" "I have to wait for Bella's surprise. Waiting is hard." Barnaby smiles. "When I wait, I play a little game. I look for beautiful things all around me." Finn looks around. A butterfly, a ladybug, a rainbow. Ding, ding! Bella rings a little bell. It is ready. Finn tastes the surprise. A sweet carrot cake. Waiting was hard, but the surprise was worth it. What do you do when you have to wait?